By 2025, Meta's AI-powered search engine will revolutionize the search landscape with cutting-edge features. Conversational interfaces, entity-based search, multimodal search, personalized knowledge graphs, and real-time question answering will become standard. Meta's AI search will excel in intent-based query understanding, entity recognition, and seamless dialogue-driven experiences, surpassing Google. Its advanced NLP capabilities and vast knowledge base will outpace Copilot, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Startpage. Users will enjoy accurate results from natural language queries, efficient search processes, personalized results, real-time information, integrated text, image, video, and audio search. Meta's AI search will prioritize data quality, algorithmic fairness, user trust, and innovation to solidify its lead. By 2025, Meta will have redefined search, making information discovery more intuitive, accessible, and efficient. Its AI-powered search engine will be the go-to platform for users seeking precise, relevant, and up-to-date answers. Look at the latest incredible reports. Meta Platforms is embarking on a significant transformation in the digital landscape by developing an AI-powered search engine. This initiative aims to reduce the company's reliance on established search giants like Google and Microsoft Bing, marking a strategic pivot that could reshape the competitive dynamics within the tech industry. Unlike traditional engines, Meta's AI dives deep, connecting ideas and anticipating questions before you even ask them. But how does it stack up against giants like Google, Bing, and DuckDuckGo? Is it really the future of search? Join us as we explore how Meta's AI-powered engine is set to redefine how we search online. Historically, Meta has depended heavily on external search engines for functionalities across its platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. The new search engine is part of a broader strategy to gain autonomy and control over information dissemination within its ecosystem. This move comes at a time when AI technologies are rapidly evolving, with companies like OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft aggressively enhancing their capabilities in this domain. Meta's decision to create its own search engine is driven by several factors. Reducing dependency. By developing its own search capabilities, Meta aims to lessen its reliance on Google and Microsoft for delivering information about news, sports, and stocks through its AI chatbot. Strategic independence. The new search engine will serve as a contingency plan should Google or Microsoft decide to terminate their existing agreements with Meta. Enhanced user experience. The AI-powered search engine is designed to provide conversational answers to user queries, thereby improving engagement and satisfaction levels across Meta's platforms. The development of Meta's AI-powered search engine has been underway for approximately 8 months. A specialized engineering team has been assembled to build a comprehensive database that will support the new system. This database will allow the AI chatbot, integrated across Meta's platforms, to generate conversational summaries of current events and other relevant information. Conversational AI integration. The search engine will leverage generative AI technologies to provide users with conversational updates and answers, enhancing the interactivity of the user experience. This feature is expected to be particularly beneficial for real-time inquiries about current events. Partnerships for data access. Recently, Meta entered into a multi-year partnership with Reuters, which will enable its AI chatbot to access real-time news articles. This collaboration is crucial for ensuring that the chatbot can deliver accurate and timely information in response to user queries. Web crawling capabilities. To compete effectively with established players like Google and Bing, Meta is working on developing robust web crawling capabilities. Although this represents a significant technical challenge, it is essential for gathering diverse data sources necessary for a comprehensive search experience. While the development of an AI-powered search engine presents numerous opportunities for Meta, it also faces several challenges. Technical complexity. Building a fully functional search engine capable of crawling the web efficiently is no small feat. It requires substantial technological investment and expertise. Intellectual property issues. As Meta navigates the complexities of web crawling and data usage, It must address potential intellectual property concerns related to content sourcing from third-party websites. Market competition. The competitive landscape is intensifying as other tech companies also invest in AI-driven search solutions. For example, OpenAI has introduced its Search GPT prototype, while Apple is reportedly developing similar tools. Meta's initiative could have far-reaching implications not only for its own operations, but also for the broader tech industry. Shifting power dynamics. If successful, Meta's search engine could disrupt the current dominance of Google and Microsoft in the search market. This shift may encourage other companies to explore independent AI-driven solutions as well. User-centric information retrieval. By focusing on conversational responses and real-time updates, Meta aims to create a more user-centric approach to information retrieval. This could redefine how users interact with digital content across social media platforms. Integration with e-commerce. The combination of AI-powered search capabilities with Meta's existing e-commerce features could revolutionize how consumers discover products online, potentially transforming digital shopping experiences. Meta's development of an AI-powered search engine signifies a pivotal moment in its evolution as a technology leader. By reducing dependency on external providers and enhancing user engagement through conversational AI, Meta aims to carve out a unique position within the competitive landscape of digital information retrieval. While challenges remain in terms of technical execution and market competition, the potential rewards could reshape not only Meta's future, but also that of the entire tech industry. As this project unfolds, it will be crucial to monitor how Meta navigates these challenges and whether it can successfully launch a search engine that meets user needs while competing effectively against established players in the market. That is it for today's showdown. What do you think about Meta's AI-powered search engine? Let us know in the comment below. Thank you for watching our channel AI Finds. Subscribe it for more latest trends.